How to delete all Facebook account without password, email, and phone number. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into the account. Now at the top right, you'll find the search icon. Click on it. Now at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the username of the Facebook account that you want to delete. Head towards the profile page. Once you land to the profile page, over here you'll find three dots. Click on it. You'll get different options. Click on the option of report profile. Please select a problem. Select the option of pretending to be someone. Select the option of me. Click on submit. Click on next. Click on done. Once you report for this profile, you will be good to go. Now you can ask your friends and family as well to report for this profile. Once this Facebook profile is reported by maximum number of Facebook accounts, this profile will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete all Facebook account without password, email, and phone number. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.